Interesting ang topic natin for today because we will be reviewing Kirkland Signature Vitamin C 1000 milligrams with bioflavonoids, citrus bioflavonoids, and rose hips. Hey guys, my name is Anthony and in this video, we will be discussing and presenting you etong isa sa mga pinaka-best and original na pampaboost ng immune system. So we have here etong Kirkland Vitamin C 1000 milligrams. So aside from ascorbic acid, meron din siyang bioflavonoids. Ayan, para sa mas magandang kutis, hindi lang sa immune system. So we have here rose hips din. Rose hips din. Yung rose hip is essential para magpa-lighten ng acne scars, tsaka yung mga scars sa buong katawan natin. And hindi lang yan. Ito yung merong kisses yung binigay sa akin ng Lola's Box. Yes, thank you Lola's Box for this wonderful product na pampaboost ng immune system because this is so essential for me dahil nasa frontliners po tayo and we need extra precaution, extra immune booster. So, i-open na natin siya. Ang cute, no? Kasi kapag o-order kayo sa Lola's Box, meron kayong free Kisses chocolates. O, di ba? Ang daming freebies na binibigay ni Lola's Box. Ayan po ang Lola's Box. So, once again, siya po yung seller and she recommended this to me. Tapos, kapag sa mga talagang super layo dito sa Luzon, ayan, nasa link below din yung isang alternative kung saan kayo bibili na original and the best vitamin C by Kirkland. So, i-open na natin itong product na ito. Ayan, i-open na natin siya. So, here it is. Ayan, ang daming laman. So, 500 siya. 500 tablets na Kirkland Vitamin C. Tapos, once a day is already enough. But if you are a frontliner like me, pwede namang mag-take pa ng isa once in the morning and once in the evening. Kasi nga, ang hirap magkasakit. Tapos, kahit na sinasabi nila na isi-shoulder yung mga expenses natin sa hospital, meron pa rin mga extra charges na you have to prepare kapag ma-hospital ka, lalong-lalo na kapag biglang nagkaroon ka ng COVID-19. So, it's important to boost your health using this wonderful product, Kirkland Vitamin C 1000 mg. So, the price varies depending upon the seller. Pero, yung regular na price na for Kirkland Vitamin C 100 mg is nag-range po siya between 1,400 to 1,600 pesos ang isa. Sulit na sulit din po siya. Isa sa mga pinakamurang brands. Tapos US brand po siya. Kaya this is one of the most reliable na brands na food supplements na binibili ko din to boost my immune system. Kaya make sure na ayan, nakaseal yung bottle before kayo bibili because alam nyo na kapag medyo damage yung cap, walang seal, tapos wala pang seal sa loob, pwede nyo isoli yung product, ayan, or pwede nyo namang i-money back guarantee. Ayan. Tapos, yung mga trusted sites na or trusted areas kung saan kayo bibili ng Kirkland is doon sa SNR, Landers, Costco, yun yung mga isa sa mga reliable brands kung saan kayo bibili ng ganitong products. Ayan, i-open na po natin siya. So, ayan, this is the outer na cover. Ayan. Tapos, kapag bubuksan nyo, meron din siyang loob na seal. So, make sure ganito yung seal niya. Ayan. Kapag sa US, kasi direct siya from US, yung binibenta ni Lola's Box. Kaya ganito yung seal niya. Pero kapag sa ibang tawag dito, mga retail outlets, iba din yung pag-seal niya. So, ganito siya. I-open mo siya. So, sealed for your protection. Ayan. Bubuksan muna natin siya. Ayan. Pagbukas mo dito, ayan o. Tapos meron ulit siyang Ayan. Buksan natin ulit. Mahirap siyang buksan. Ayan. So, ganito. And makikita nyo, medyo hindi siya pure white. Ayan, hindi creamy yung nasa loob niya, yung mga itsura ng tablets. So, since vitamin C siya, yung smell niya is citrusy. So, yeah. May smell ka talaga na citrusy because of yung ascorbic acid from citrus extracts. So, it's like that. Ayan. So, kukuha tayo ng isa, which is iti-take natin ngayon. May mga batik-batik siya na konti. Ayan. There is like a batik-batik inside. That is the bioflavonoids. And then yung rose hips. Ang maganda dito kasi, if you're going to take vitamin C per day, it not only strengthens your immune system, but also helps your skin to regenerate yung collagen and elastin niya. Tapos yung rose hip niya para to whiten yung mga dark scars. Kapag may pimple marks kayo, yung mga marks niya is mas mabilis yung healing process. Katulad ng mga sugat niyo sa mga skin, kapag nasugatan kayo, if you have wounds, yung wounds will have at least 2 to 3 times faster healing process. So, magte-take na po tayo ng gamot, or I should say, food supplement. Ayan. So, pag aamuin mo, talagang, ano siya, talagang it is citrusy. So, eto ulit yung aking magic tumbler. So, I would like to say thank you to Puritan's Pride once again for giving me this tumbler. And now, we will take this product. Yes, citrusy talaga siya. Medyo maasim kasi nga yung effect ng vitamin C. As in, importante talaga na i-boost natin yung immune system natin because mahal magkasakit. And make sure na you should also take good care of your kidneys, liver by drinking at least 12 to 14 glasses of water a day. Ayan. So, alam niyo yun, kapag nag-take ka rin ng glutathione, importante rin na mag-take ka ng vitamin C para at least mas faster yung absorption ng glutathione sa katawan mo. Wait lang, meron pa. Ayan. So, if-flip natin itong camera para makita natin yung itsura talaga ng vitamin C. So, i-flip muna natin. So, we have here Easy Swallow Coating. Sa mga mahilig mag-swallow dyan, ayan, hindi kayo papahirapan na lumunok ng vitamins na ito because Easy Swallow Coating. Kirkland Signature Vitamin C 1000 mg with rose hips and citrus bioflavonoid complex to boost your immune system. Ayan, may support the immune system, may promote antioxidant activity. So, it has 500 tablets per box. So, actual size, ganyan siya. As I have shown a while ago. So, yan, dietary supplement, US verified. So, we have here itong supplemental facts. Vitamin C, 1000 mg or 1 gram. Ayan, 1,111. Tama. And we have here citrus bioflavonoid complex, fruit 100 mg, 10% na hesperidine. So, ganyan. Ascorbic acid, microcrystalline cellulose, plant origin. Ayan. So, ang dami-daming ingredients niyan. Sunflower lecithin. So, may lecithin din pala siya. And then, distributed by Costco Wholesale Corporation, PO Box. So, yes, Costco po ito. Yung iba kasi, may kanya-kanya silang mga distributing facility. So, made in the USA po ito. If you're pregnant or nursing mother, take medications, or person who have health condition should consult their physician before using this product. So, keep out of reach of children. Store at room temperature. Ayan, 52 degrees Celsius. Ayan. And then, dapat ilagay nyo it sa cool and dry place. So, ganito yung itsura ng vitamin C na bottle. So, malaki talaga siya. Malaki. Malaki kung sa malaki. O, diba? Kaya, if you would ask me kung ano yung pinaka-best brand na vitamin C, I would rather say na Kirkland, because Kirkland has been making their reputation at the top of the chain sa mga nagdistribute and manufacture na food supplements all over the world. So here again, once again, Kirkland Signature Vitamin C 1000 milligrams with rose hips and citrus bioflavonoids to boost your immune system, to improve your skin condition, to regenerate your overall function sa organ function, smooth muscle function. So, I advise you, since pandemic ngayon, na mag-take na 1 to 2 vitamins a day to keep doctors away. So if you love this vlog, or kung nagustuhan nyo itong vlog ko, don't forget to subscribe to my 2 YouTube channels. Yes, I have 2 YouTube channels, guys, because ito yung pang product update or product review, and yung other one is yung mga personal na chill videos ko. So if you have any comments or suggestions, just don't hesitate to reach me out in my Facebook page, Instagram, or Twitter, The Story of Anthony. Ayan po, guys. So always remember, wag maging pasaway, be safe, stay safe, and learn to be updated from the news. So that will be all. Thank you very much and have a nice day.